when you're practicing at home. Building confidence takes lots of practice, and this is why we have partnered again with BabyCode Ielts. If anyone wants to improve their IELTS score, you need to practice a lot. 1 or 2 tests a day is not enough. BabyCode application is the best way to improve your score for your IELTS speaking exam. Why? You can give an unlimited number of speaking tests anywhere and anytime. BabyCode Ielts is cutting-edge AI technology that measures your speaking and identifies mistakes, grammatical mistakes, vocabulary mistakes, and even gives you suggestions on what to do so that you can improve your scores on your next exam and go from a band 6 to a band 7, or even a band 7 to an 8 or a perfect 9. And don't forget to practice often on BabyCode Ielts.